Here's a real quick cruise at my brother's house, showing him the drone and my nephew and stuff. Unfamiliar spots, to sort of take it easy. Showing off a little bit for him. But here's a flight. I love the amazement of people when they walk, they're like, wow, that's cool. Getting comfortable with flying, though. I can go to new spots now and just sort of fly around. That's cool. Trying to do some flybys so they could see it. That was good. It was a good flight. Oh, more on my camera. Oh, man. Tell you what, I had a bad day a couple days ago. When you think you're right and you're absolutely, positive, you're still, you can always be wrong. A couple things happened that just, like my drone, I checked the VTX, and for some reason I had it in pit mode. So all that time I was changing antennas and everything, it was in pit mode. So now it works great. Got it bumped up to 800 megahertz and works great. It was working pretty good on pit mode. I was trying to get reception. So if you want to fine tune your system, put it on pit mode, and you can get it in pit mode. You can definitely get it when you bump it up. It stays in pit mode. You can change the settings until you exit pit mode. So I set my settings and thought they were good, but I never exited pit mode. Yep. Dad once told me there's a full born every minute. Well, I messed up. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.